Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering only dry, intact sheets. This prevents stains and mildew. Once collected, sort by size and ink level so you know which sheets are safe for food contact versus craft glue. Put on gloves if scraping ink or handling messy jobs, and clear a large work surface to keep pieces flat. Make sure to keep scissors, tape, and string within reach. Having tools ready speeds the process and lets you move directly into the first folding and cutting steps. You now convert flat sheets into functional forms, fold to fit a box, or cut strips for cushioning. Once done, layer 2 to 3 sheets where strength matters. Overlapping distributes pressure and reduces tearing. If making ties or planters, twist strips tightly from one end to form cords or roll sheets into cylinders for seedlings. Make sure to test a sample. If it tears, add another layer. These adjustments preserve items during transit and give structure for craft projects. You finish by securing folds and bundles with tape or string and label containers for easy identification later. Once done, collect leftover scraps, compost non-glossy paper, or shred for packing fill. Make sure to avoid glossy inserts in compost because of coatings. If ink bleeds onto items, immediately swap to clean sheets and blot stains with a dry cloth. Repeating ink transfer means you should select lower ink pages next time. These final actions protect content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.